My babe's here. Ka-chow. Hello, Super Lightnings. We're back at it again for the third and final video for the triple unboxings for today. And for this time, we're gonna be taking a look at the Rusteze Cruz Ramirez. So let's start taking a look at her details. So on the thread says Rusteze Cruz Ramirez. On her artwork, it has her Rusteze design. There's a diecast with the metal logo and a Mattel logo right there. On the back, as seen in Cars 3, with her picture in the prototype, and there's her name in 6 other languages. Yeah, 6 other languages. Right. Let's get to unboxing her. Hopefully her unboxing will be easier than hauling gas. Hold on. Much better. Oh, ballish. Oh, flip. This will not be easy. I completely ripped it in all sides. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh my... Bruh. Oh, finally! Oh, come on. Well, I guess that plopped off. I think I have an idea. Hold on. You recognize this? I don't know if this may be satisfying for you all, but for me, it is. I think I only have one left. Hauling gas. Okay. If you like that satisfying part of the video, well, then you can just give it a like. Oh, fuck. Whatever. Why does this side always have to contain something? Like, Francesco's almost had it, but on the right side. Because, look. Hall's had it in the left side. Whatever. Okay. So here is the Thailand Rusteze Cruz Ramirez. Finally have her. So let's start taking a look at her details. But first, let's see where she appeared. Of course, you may know the character Cruz Ramirez, right? Because she's like, if you're like search up Cars 3, you're mainly gonna find pictures of this girl everywhere. But if you guys don't know who she is, because if you are a noob and you do not know who she is, she was basically Lightning McQueen's trainer in Cars 3. Hopefully I'm not giving out any spoilers. But at the Florida 500, when Ramon gave her this paint job, Cruz went to race instead of McQueen, and she beat Jackson Storm by doing Doc's, hopefully there's no spoilers, the 360-degree flip. As for her releases, she was first released in 2017. Then she got released in 2018. In 2019, I think she got a single release in Blue Desert. And then she got released in a 2-pack with the bumper safe tractor. I don't think she got a release in 2020. In 2021, I think she got a release with the clutch aid tractor. And I think she also... No, that was the track damaged Cruz, not the regular one. And of course, 2022 got this version. So now... let's take a look at her details. So in the front, there's her nice smile, which has no teeth showing, which I actually do like it. Kind of gives like a different expression than the other Cruz Ramirez that we all know. There's her headlights. There on the right side, it has the Rusteze 95 Cruz exhaust pipes with the 95... No, not 95. The Lightning McQueen tires with the Lightyear on it. In the back, there's her lightning bolt, which I like to call it the Z-type lightning bolt, Because if you see like the NASCAR McQueen, it kind of does have that design. Same thing on the other side, but flipped, but with the addition of the gas cap. There's nothing on the hood, there's nothing on the roof, and there's nothing in the spoiler. And surprisingly, Cruz doesn't have no sponsors, like no sponsors at all. Thug life. And I didn't show the bottom of Hall and Francesco, but might as well just show it for Cruz. It's made in Thailand, made by Mattel. Now that we're basically done with the review, let's get to her comparison, which I also have the China Rusteze Cruz Ramirez. Of course, I kind of did paint over this one because when she didn't have the paint on, she looked horrible. But I think I'll turn this one into a track damage Rusteze Cruz Ramirez, or maybe I'll turn it to the Cruz Ramirez as Jackson Storm. Or maybe I'll just do another creation with this Cruz Ramirez. I don't know. But if I had to say, as if I have this one right now, with this colored paint, I'd say this one wins. But if she was painted like how Mattel painted her, I think who would win was the Thailand. I think I much prefer the Thailand Rusteze Cruz Ramirez than the China one. And one thing I noticed on the 2019 version of the Thailand Rusteze Cruz Ramirez is that her spoiler used to be, her left side of the spoiler used to be tilted to the front and lifted up more. But anyway, more comparisons. We're going to compare her to the Dynaco Cruz Ramirez, which I also have her in Thailand. I think I'll almost have almost all of the Thailand Cruz Ramirez. I think the only Thailand Cruz Ramirez that Mattel had not re-released was the original. They didn't release a Thailand original Cruz Ramirez. So if Mattel hears me, which probably, I don't know if they will, but Mattel, make a regular Cruz Ramirez Thailand. And also make a Cruz Ramirez at Jackson Storm, please. But anyway, let's continue. So, if I had noticed differences that the Dynaco Cruz is showing teeth, but the Rusteze one isn't. Of course, the paint jobs are different. The rims are different. The Dynaco Cruz doesn't have the CRS logo on it, but the Rusteze one does. And the exhaust pipes on the Rusteze Cruz are printed, but the Dynaco Cruz, they're embossed. So you can feel the actual exhaust pipe, but for Rusteze Cruz, actually you can feel it on the Rusteze Cruz, but not as much as the Dynaco one. Now let's compare the Rusteze Cruz with a little bit of an oddball one. Regular Cruz Ramirez, and I like how she's like turning off to the, looking out to the right. Yeah, this is like my plastic Cruz Ramirez that I had for about 5 years. And just for laughs and giggles, we're going to compare it to my Disney Store Cruz Ramirez, which she doesn't have any wheels. Yeah, she doesn't have any wheels. I hadn't done a review on her. I just got her yesterday from a friend. So yeah, I probably will add the wheels to her and then maybe do like a base on cardboard or duct tape or whatever. And then this Cruz will be useful again. But I guess this video is done, I guess. So thank you so much for watching Champion Racer Collection. Wait, hold on. Let me zoom out. And maybe I'll add the artwork. Actually, I have an idea. I think I have an idea. I know I shouldn't have done this, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching Champion Racer Collection. Saying goodbye. Oh, too close. And there. Thumbnail.